syempre, once again, we're coming back to Dubai! Again, kasi we're there for 2020 Dubai Expo and the Wyatt World Tour in 2022.
Right, we were also there in George last year and really love going to Dubai.
Siyempre naalala niyo pa ba, libot kami sa Dubai.
Very humble, very grateful. But one last na lang, I think maybe invite your fans in Dubai dahil makikita nyo na sila. Go ahead.
So, ayun po. So, we are inviting all our kababayan in 18 po na kung wala po kayong time and gusto niyo po ng aliw and maging masaya, mag-enjoy, iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa pagtatag Dubai, SB19 po yan. Doon po namin gaganapin namin concert. And if you have time and kasama niyo pang family, friends, kung sino man, jowa, pwede niyo pong isama manood ng concert namin. Siguro din po namin worth it po ang gagastos niyo para sa show namin. And yes, see you there and please